Good afternoon. Let's look at page 30, question number 62. It says you have a rectangular stained glass window that measures 2 feet by 1 foot. You have 4 square feet of glass to make a border of uniform width around the window. What should the width of the border be? So if we look at our stained glass window, we know that we're going to have to add some distance around it that is the same distance each direction. So if I look at the distance from here to here, I'm going to call that x. And I'm going to call the distance from here to here x because I want it to be the same width. And then I want to think about how down here I also have another width of x. And the distance from here to here is x. So if I think about this new rectangle, and I think about the width, well, there was 1 foot of the stained glass window, plus there's an x on both the left and the right side. So I'm taking 1 plus 2x. If I think about the length of the outside here, I had 2 feet, that was the original stained glass window, plus I have 2x on the outside. So I have 2 plus 2x. And in the question it told me I had 4 square feet of glass to work with. So I know that my 4 has to equal my 1 plus 2x times my 2 plus 2x, but I have to get rid of the original picture, stained glass window, 2 times 1. So if I FOIL this out, I'm going to get 2 plus 2x plus 4x plus 4x squared. And then I'm going to subtract 2. So if I combine my like terms here, the 2's are going to cancel each other out. This part is going to give me 6x. Now I want to get everything on one side. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So 0 equals, and I'm going to go in decreasing order of x. So 4x squared plus 6x minus 4. Now I want to find my greatest common factor, which appears to be 2. Now I need to break this down into its factors. I need something that multiplies together to give me a negative 2, multiplies together to give me a positive 2, but adds together to give me a positive 3. So if I put a 2x here and a 1x here, I put a positive 2 over here and a minus 1 here, because a negative 1 times a positive 2 will give me the negative 2. My inside term would be 1x. My outside term would be 4x. That should be a negative 1x. Then I'm going to get 3x, which is what I wanted. So I know I have my factors correct. Now this doesn't have any letter attached, so we can ignore it. We're going to take this factor equal to 0. And we're going to take this factor equal to 0. Now I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And we're going to divide by 2. So we know that x is 1/2. Let's see what we get here. We're going to subtract 2. And we know that we can't use a distance that's negative, so that really isn't going to work. So this is the width of the border around our stained glass window. Have a great day. Bye-bye.